Hey guys, this is Julio. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I've got Photoshop open and that is an A4 resolution size with 72 dots per inch. Now you don't have to worry about that. I have a template that you can use. So open up the Photoshop template. You'll be given access to the folders and all you have to do is simply drag and drop from the folder into the canvas. Now, as you could see right now, it's looking a little bit, where is it? Let's do that again. I'll drag and drop. Okay, now it's looking a bit on a different angle. I need to see those arrows, you make it bigger. Okay, make it bigger so it fits the screen. You tilt a little bit as well, so it fills up the whole screen, just like this. You keep playing around with this, that's fine. That's a transform tool. See the box and the cursors on the points at the corners? That's called the transform tool. So you'll know that this is working as soon as you drag and drop. It'll automatically pop up. Anyway, when you're happy, you just click enter. And that is done. Now another thing to do is go into, you probably can't see it on my computer, but you go into adjustment, image, in the menu, you go to image, adjustments, brightness, contrast. Okay, you bring the brightness contrast tool up and then you'll, oh, I think we've got the wrong one. Okay, here we go. Image, adjust, brightness, contrast. Yeah, there we go, okay. And bring it up so it's nice and vivid. You can probably have a number of 35 to about 80. Just make sure the blacks are black, the yellows are yellow, nice and bright, good contrast, and click OK. All right, fantastic. Now what we're ready to do is go to File, Save As. Sorry. We'll do that again. File, export, export as, sorry, this is the new version of Photoshop. I'm still getting my head around it. Go to File, Export, Save for Web. Okay, this is what we want, save for web, and then you'll be able to see the comic book. See there's two, there's the original, which is 1.3, it's pretty big, or you can have a, let's have a look here, have a JPEG, high resolution of 60, that's fine. Click save. And that's issue 1. So what we need to do is go to well, let's just save it on desktop, but save it in the same folder. Actually, I'll show you what to do. Go to Google Drive, or go into the folder that I've shared with you and create a new folder with a folder saying optimized. So let's do that right now. Let's go into AnythingNet, projects, Spacecapades issue. So this is the folder I'm in. I'll create a new folder and call this optimized for PDF. Okay, great. Now this one is 00. That's the original file. 00 is the cover. So I'll click enter and we're done. Now what to do next is you keep doing the same thing, for the rest of the comic books. Okay, now this one is a little bit smaller than the space, so you just make it a little bit bigger. Done. One thing that I've noticed is, here we go, here's the toolbox. Okay, sorry, I have been a bit used to this. Okay, so now what I've done, you see this toolbox on the left hand side, you can select and you'll see these cursors. Once you click on one of these cursors or the corners, you'll be able to move around, and you can also tilt like this. Okay, all right, cool. Let's export this again. File, export, save for web, save for web. Oh, okay, let's improve the contrast. Remember that? So go to image, mode, brightness, contrast, and what do we say about 70, 35 and 70, or maybe an 80. Now these were hand drawn, so you're going to have to be a good judge and see what contrast would be needed. Okay, so you keep doing this until all of the issues are fulfilled, all of these as part of the one issue. Okay, now let's go to File, Export, Save for Web. Okay, yeah, looks good. Save. See the original size image, 1.43 megabytes, and the JPEG optimize is 259 or 258.8. That's good. That's really good. Okay, let's click save, and that would be 01. Done. And there they are there. Okay, great. So next what we do is you open up Adobe Acrobat, okay, you create a PDF. Now you'll see this, multiple files, combined files, next, and then you just simply drag and drop in order, combine, done. And we file, save as, and you save to the same folder as a PDF. Simple as that. Any issues, let me know.